commercial connection oven. Almond shortbread cookies. Ingredients: crush the almonds in advance. Beat the softened, unsalted butter, powdered sugar, and salt together into light and fluffy. Add milk and mix thoroughly to avoid separation. Join almonds. Mix it evenly. Fold in the sifted cake flour and potato starch with a spatula until just combined. Shape the dough, then refrigerate for 24 hours or overnight until firm. Preheat the convection oven to 180 C 350 F for 20 minutes. Slice the chilled cookie dough into 5 to 7 millimeters thick rounds. For 5L commercial convection oven with multi-rack simultaneous baking capability. Ideal for small bakeries. Adjust the temperature to 140 degrees centigrade. Finally, the status increased by 3 minutes. After cooking, there is a prompt sound. Perfectly evening baking on every rack, every time. Activate the cooling function to quickly cool down. It is the best choice for a professional kitchen.